I've been pickling garlic this way for 10 years. It keeps for a year, and it's delicious. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Pickling garlic is a simple art, but brings great value in preserving and enhancing the flavor of this familiar ingredient. The traditional method of pickling garlic not only helps to remove the characteristic pungent smell, but also retains the crunchiness, natural aroma, and special rich flavor, creating a highlight for every dish. Over the past 10 years, this formula has proven its ability to preserve garlic for up to a year while maintaining excellent quality. Garlic is a spice used in many dishes such as stir-frying, frying, grilling. Therefore, many people often buy garlic to store without knowing how to keep it fresh for a long time, so the garlic often rots and becomes moldy. Let's explore with me the detailed steps to turn ordinary garlic into a golden ingredient in your kitchen. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, prepare 1 kilogram of garlic. Arrange garlic in a clean pot. Pour water over garlic. Place a plate on top and press the garlic into the water. Soak garlic in water to remove the strong smell. Let the garlic soak overnight. Then pour out the water and replace it with new water. Repeat this twice daily, morning and evening, for 3 days. This method helps to remove the strong smell of garlic. Pour away the garlic-soaking water. Peel the outer skin of the garlic. Peel until the garlic cloves are exposed. You can speed things up by cutting off the top of the garlic clove with scissors or a knife. If you plan to store garlic for a long time, sterilize the jar. I use a glass jar. Add 1 to 2 sprigs of dill to each jar. Half a beetroot, cut into cubes. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place the beets at the bottom of the jar. Add the garlic cloves. Add a little dill and beetroot too. Pour water into the jar containing garlic. Then pour water into a clean bowl to determine the amount of water needed for the soaking solution. Add 5 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons salt, black pepper, stir well to dissolve sugar and salt. Pour the mixed water into the pot. Cover the pot. Boil the soaking solution. Simmer for 2 minutes. Pour 8 tablespoons of 9% vinegar into the jar containing the garlic. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pour the boiling pickling solution into the jar. Close the lid. Wrap jar in towel and let cool completely. Once cool, remove the towel from the jar. Place the cooled jar in a cool, dark place or in the refrigerator. Soak garlic for about 2 to 3 weeks, then it can be used. Garlic has an eye-catching purple-red color thanks to beetroot. Dill helps increase the aroma and aids digestion. This dish can be served with grilled food, rice, or noodles. Opened jars should be refrigerated. Storing in an airtight jar. Separate garlic into cloves. If any are soft, damaged, or rotten, discard them to prevent spreading. Find peeling garlic messy and time-consuming? Try this simple trick. Soak garlic in hot water and the skins will peel right off easily. How to do it? First, break the garlic into cloves but leave the papery skin. Heat water to around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling. Place garlic in a bowl, pour the hot water in to cover, and soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Take it out. Let it cool slightly and gently peel. The skin will slip off without damaging the cloves. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After peeling, prepare an airtight jar and place all the cloves inside. Cover tightly and then put in the freezer. This method can preserve the garlic for 3 to 6 months, and it will still be delicious and not spoiled. Very convenient for use. After each use, make sure to seal the jar tightly again. Life should be simple. These folk methods are both easy and effective. Turns out storing garlic is this easy. No drying out, no sprouting, no spoiling for a whole year. Have you learned how to store garlic yet? Storing with salt and vinegar. Similar to the previous trick, peel the garlic into cloves and place them in an airtight jar. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and fill the jar with white vinegar. Salt helps kill bacteria, prevent mold and fungus. Vinegar creates a mildly acidic environment to suppress sprouting. This method can preserve garlic for 6 months to 1 year while keeping it tasty and fresh. Which method do you find most convenient and effective? Do you have a better way? Leave a comment below. Garlic is an essential ingredient in life. Whether eating noodles or grilled skewers, a few cloves of garlic are a must. If garlic turns yellow or starts sprouting, don't eat it. It may contain harmful toxins. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow me. I'll share more great tips every day. See you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.